Hi everybody, welcome back to your Tuesday video with me. My name is Isabelle and I'm happy to be with you guys today to introduce to you the promotions for the month of March that we have for you at home. You can either go to your local spa, medical spa, or salon to purchase these different promo kits that we have. So we wanted to do a bit more of like a gift with purchase for the month of March, because we do think that it's always nice to get some extra products as a gift, especially because we are continuing to talk about the self-care and just really taking the time to treat ourselves. So the first promotional kit that we're going to have is when you purchase the lifting peptide serum right here, as well as the lifting complex cream, you're going to receive the lifting complex toner. So the reason why we went ahead and did a kit like this is because we do want you to we want to reinforce actually the fact that the toner is a step that is extremely important, that it is also very often neglected because we tend to not really think about the importance of it. But I'm going to go through the different products with you and just kind of explain why and who also would be the perfect person for these products. So first, your lifting complex toner, which is the product that comes as a gift with the purchase. This is going to help to, of course, rebalance pH of your skin, but it's also going to be there to give you that nice tightening effect, as well as promote a better product penetration. We tend to forget, but if our pH is unbalanced, our skin is more likely to produce excess oil, you're more likely to get some breakouts, and you're also going to see a difference as far as how much product you're going to apply afterwards. So your lifting toner is going to be used after every single time you cleanse, and it's going to make sure that your skin is really receptive to what you're putting on it. The other way that you can use it is you can actually use it throughout the day to refresh, or as a makeup setting spray, so that's always nice to have as well. Now, the next one, lifting peptide serum. I've spoken about this serum a couple times over the last few months because I do think it is such a good serum that is extremely versatile. You can use it if you do have a bit of sensitivity. You don't have to worry about anything. You're going to have a trilogy of peptides. There's some glycogens and some vitamin C that's going to work on, yes, keeping the skin smooth, hydrated, but also diminishing the first signs of aging, whether you're looking at the wrinkle aspect of it or a skin tone that's uneven. Another thing that's really important with this is the quantity that you're using. You really don't need to be using a full pipette. So I'm going to show you just, honestly, just like 2 little drops like this is really more than enough for your full face, and you can actually go down in your neck with this much product. So it should be used twice a day, and it is going to work on improving the texture. It's going to work on the fine lines, the wrinkles, and just the overall glow of the skin to make sure that your skin does stay as hydrated and as smooth and young looking for as long as possible. Then the final product, lifting complex cream. This is the absolute perfect product for somebody who is already starting to see some signs of aging. I've been getting the question quite a bit, whether it's for the lifting cream or the next kit that I'll be talking about. Is there a specific age that I should be using this product? No, it's going to be based on what your skin looks like, and also if we see a lot of signs of aging. So if you're in your late 30s, early 40s, and that you do find you have a bit more wrinkles that are caused by dehydration or excess sun exposure, this is the absolute perfect product for you to really stimulate your collagen, your elastin, and again, plump up all the fine lines, the wrinkles, and make sure that your skin stays and returns to being as smooth as possible. Hydration is absolute key to maintaining the skin youth, because if your skin dehydrates, you are going to see the signs of aging much faster. That being said, SPF is also extremely important to ensure a good, healthy, and younger looking skin. So that is the first kit that we have on promotion for the month of March. The next one is with the purchase of the Biotense cleansing milk and the Biotense cream, sorry, the lighting, you're going to receive the pH toner Biotense. Again, importance of toner is something that every single person should be using, whether you think you have skin issues or not. The pH of your skin is something that has to be balanced to prevent breakouts, oil, and just, again, normalizing microcirculation, just making sure that you have a good healthy skin. It is a very, very important step. So in your pH toner Biotense, you're going to have an aloe vera based product. There's going to be some purina, which is going to give you a really nice tightening effect. So if you do like to have a bit of a tighter look, you can use this as a makeup setting spray as well as a toner by itself. So we're going to work on, if you have a bit of redness, it is going to help to diminish that. There's some chamomile, which is going to be very nice and soothing. So if you do have a skin that's a bit more sensitive, you don't have to worry. You can go ahead with this, and there is no fragrance at all to it. So that's going to be the first step as far as how to apply your products. How to apply, when to apply, sorry, when it comes to am I putting my serum after or anything like that, you're always going to do your first step is going to be the cleansing, then you're going to follow with your toner, and then serum, oil, or cream according to your skin type. So make sure not to neglect your toner part of your skincare routine. So the BioTense cleansing milk, which can be used as a cleanser as well as a makeup remover, is going to be aloe vera based too. So you're going to have a really nice light fluid texture. So even if you do have a skin that tends to be a little bit on the oilier side, but that you do wear makeup, you really don't have to worry about it at all. You're going to see that it is going to remove your makeup perfectly without leaving that oily residue that is very common if you have used some cleansing milks in the past. The tip with this one is that you want to use it on dry skin. Why? Because you're not going to be diluting the product, and then you really are going to be getting full benefits of using this cleansing milk. So aloe vera, there's going to be some sodium PCA that's going to help to rebalance your natural moisture factor and also therefore prevent those tightening sensations that you really want to avoid, and some argan oil. And lastly, which should just be your every single day moisturizer, the Biotense Cream. So this one is suitable for all skin types as well, but within the concept of the BioTense line, we are going to give you a nice tightening effect, work on smoothing out fine lines, wrinkles, and just preventing the premature aging that we see very, very often. This could be used twice a day, so morning and night. Don't forget to still use your SPF, but we're going to have some nice bentonite clay, so you do get a nice mattifying effect if you are somebody who wears makeup on top of your moisturizer. You don't have to worry about the product being too greasy or your makeup rolling off or anything like that. The product is going to work perfectly with all skin types. So I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment box. Don't forget to like and share, and I will see you next week.